In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to clear search history on YouTube in iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now, in case you want to remove few search results from your search history, then we just need to tap on the search icon. And now if you have any your search result, then we just need to hold on it and then it will give you an option of remove. If we tap on it, then that particular search result will be gone from your YouTube search history. You can repeat the process and delete as much search results you want. But if you want to remove your whole YouTube search history, then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once we tap on it, now click on the gear icon from the top right corner, which is settings. Once you click on settings, now we need to click on manage all history, and then it will take some time to load and it will give you all of your YouTube history. We need to click on controls to control our history, and then we need to uncheck an option which is include your searches on YouTube. If you disable this option, then YouTube won't be able to store your search history and it will hide your search history from YouTube as well. So for that we need to tap on this check mark and disable it. Now click on pause and got it. Now if you go back to YouTube and search here, you can see everything has been hidden from my search results. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.